All right, so I've got this water heater here, and it's been having some issues with heating lately. It's not a very old water heater, but I've tried draining it and stuff, and it is just not helping. So I'm going to go through and see if I can get the calcification out of the inside. So let's go through that. What I'm doing here is I've got a hose hooked up on the bottom here, and I'm getting it all drained right now. So that's just drained. I've got a floor drain right next to here, and my dog wants to be in the video. I'm going to pull the TNP, and I'm going to get vinegar and get that put in there, because that should help break up any of the calcification that's on the inside of here. So I will let this finish draining. I will get the TNP pulled, and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've got the TNP pulled, you can see in the inside of here, you can see the calcification. And then same with looking inside here, you can see a good amount in there as well. So I am not sure how this is going to go, because there's a good amount on this whole, on the whole inside of this, obviously, from where we can see it right there. But we will try it and see what happens. I got this drained all the way, and what I'm going to do is put a bunch of vinegar into here and go from there, and that will help to get rid of the calcifications in here. All right, so we got 4 gallons of vinegar in there, and I'm going to run a bunch of water in there now to kind of mix it up, and just to add the water and dilute it kind of a little. And then I'm going to give it time to work that calcification out, and then we'll drain it all, rinse it out, and be good. All right, it's been sitting for a few hours now with the vinegar and water in there. I'm going to get this all put back together, put the TNP back in there, and get it sealed up. And I will get that all drained out, get the water all rinsed out, and we will see what happens. Once I got this all put back together, I wanted to get it all filled up so that I could get rid of and clear out as much of the calcification as possible. And then went ahead and got it all drained all the way again, and then closed it up and filled it up, turned it back on, and I was good to go, and this worked great. So if you have any questions, let me know.